I recently tried running yarn create next app to start a new next.js project, but it either froze during setup or through unexpected errors. If you're dealing with the same problem, here are 2 simple fixes you could try directly from your PC terminal or browser. No need to mess with deep config files. First, make sure your packages are fully up to date. Run yarn, version, and node version in your terminal to check if you're on recent versions. Then run yarn set version stable to update yarn itself. After that, clear any cache data with yarn cache clean. Once that's done, try running yarn create next app again. An outdated or corrupted yarn environment is a common cause for this issue. If it still doesn't work, head over to the official next.js GitHub page or visit the Versal support site. Sometimes, the problem isn't with your setup. It could be a temporary issue with the package registry or the scaffolding tool itself. On GitHub, you can search for recent issues tagged with Create Next App to see if others are experiencing the same thing. If so, wait for a patch or try the npx create next app command as a workaround. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more developer tips, and check the description for command examples and official links. Thanks for watching.